Alright, if you're watching this video, it means that you have watched the previous two videos. If you have not done so, please go back and watch those in order. It's really hard to do these assignments if you haven't watched the videos in order. So here we are. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do something outside of the box. So you can come up here to primitives, and you can just pick a primitive, say like the pyramid, and you can say, hey, I want to make a pyramid shaped one. If you look down, it gives us the radius, the height, and the sides. So I want my radius to be half of the widest width it can be. So the widest width it can be is 30. So you take 30 and you divide that in half, and that is our radius. Meaning from the center of the pyramid where that dot is, out to the edge is going to be 15. So if I take it and go from that dot and go out in opposite directions towards both edges, it would give me 30. So here we go. Radius, we're going to change to 15. Tab. The height on the pyramids, I let you get away with a little taller things because you lose a lot of distance in your length. So it's okay if you go a little taller than the actual design envelope. That's fine. You can keep it at 20 if you want. You can add more sides or less sides. I just did 5 just for fun. Hit enter. There's a pyramid with 5 sides. If you were to look at this and hold it right on top of our design envelope here, it's going to be the same size because we made the radius match. Alright, so there it is. Alright, here's how you do another shape. So you can go up and do rectangle, go to sketch, rectangle, click on this surface, click and let go and just drag, and 30, tab, 50, enter, enter again. Now I can draw within this. So I'm going to go up to my sketch, and I'm going to go to spline, which is always a good one. Click on spline, click inside of here. It's smart to start on an edge, so I'm going to start on this edge, click, come out, click. Everywhere you click is going to be a pivot point. You see how that works? So it pivots off that. So I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to click, I'm going to click, and click, and it's really important that you connect it back to where you started. So click, connect it back. Then you can go up to the construct tool, click on extrude, and click inside of the shape that you want to extrude. And it says you want to go up. I can have it go up. Say yes, 8, enter. And now I have a nice little custom shape that fits within the parameters that were set forth. So 2 different ways. You can play with the primitives and add those in, or you can do the sketching and then extrude them up. So 2 different ways to do stuff. You can go ahead and play around with it, and start figuring out a shape that you would like for your name tag. Once you've played around and figured out a shape, you can go ahead and delete the shapes that you don't need. And then save it and move on to the next video, and I'll show you how to put your name and the hole in it and other cool little tweaks that may